Hey there, today we wanted to come on and tell you about the Cenosa bar sink faucet. We purchased this faucet for our schoolie. We have a bar sink, so we have one of the smaller sinks, and we were just looking for what would be a good faucet to put with that, and we've really enjoyed the Cenosa. It's been perfect for the small space that we have, and today we just wanted to answer some common questions that people have about it and hopefully help you with your buying decisions. So the first question is, would you recommend it for a small bar area? So yes, this is what it is designed for, is for a small bar sink. So the size is perfect for that. It's not overbearing, where when we looked at some of the regular sink spigots, they just seemed like it would be so big for the size of the sink that we had. Is it easy to install? So yes, my husband installed it for us, and he said that it was very easy and straightforward to install. Does the finish resist scratching or fading? So yes, in our experience, we've had no trouble with scratching or fading on the spigot, and we've used it for about 6 months. So just to recap why we think this would be a perfect fit for you if you're looking for a bar sink faucet. We love that it has a 360-degree swivel of the spigot. It also has a 13.8-inch hose that you can pull down and extend. It also has 2 different modes that you can use. There's the spray mode, as you can see here, and there's also the stream mode. And then we also love the anti-fingerprint feature. We have kids and we want it to stay looking nice, and so that anti-fingerprint feature is great as well. So like I said, we've really enjoyed this faucet. It's been great for the area. The size is perfect. The features are perfect on it, and we hope that answered some of the questions that you had. Happy shopping!